Hi there, and welcome to another Drupal 7 workshop here at Cal Poly. Today we're going to cover creating new navigation menus, which are usually placed in the right sidebar like this Resources menu here. First, click on Structure, then Menus, which shows you a list of the menus that are currently available on your site. To create a new one, click Add Menu. Give the menu a good identifiable name, as it will be visible to your users and will help you identify the menu later. If you have a lot of menus and are worried about telling them apart, you may also want to fill out the optional description field. After you've saved the menu, you can click Add Link to start populating it with the pages you want users to be able to access from the menu. Give the links a good identifiable name that your users will understand, just like you did for the menu itself. The path field is where you select the page that your menu links will actually point to. If you're linking to an internal page, or a page on your own Drupal site, start typing the page name, and then click on the name when it appears. The path will change to node, / and then a number, which signifies that you've successfully linked the page. If you're linking to an external page, you need to paste in the fully qualified URL. That means you need to include things like http://. Once you've filled everything out, click Save. Rinse and repeat until you've added all the links you need to your menu. Please note, though, that pages that have not been published will not be visible in your menu until you publish them. Now we've created a menu, but it isn't visible anywhere until we tell Drupal where to put it. Menus are a type of block, so to configure where they appear, click on Structure, then Blocks, and scroll down to the disabled region. Find your menu. This is where that good name you gave it comes in handy. And then use the drop-down next to it to select Right Sidebar. The menu will jump up to the right sidebar region, and we can now adjust the order it appears in compared to other menus by dragging and dropping. Click Save to commit your changes. The last thing we can do is configure the menu so that it only appears on specific pages. To do this, click on Configure next to your menu, and scroll down to the visibility settings. You can add page paths here to either blacklist or whitelist this menu from specific pages on your site. In this example, our menu will show up on every page except for Sample Content and Styles because of the radio button we have selected here. You can also use patterns instead of specific page paths to control visibility settings over multiple pages at once. For example, let's say we want our menu to only show up on pages with our captains on them. We don't want to have to add each captain individually, and we definitely don't want to have to go in and manually update this menu every time we add a new captain page. So, what we're going to do is decide on a standard format for all of our captain pages, and then put a pattern in the visibility settings to cover all of them. So, let's say I decide I want a captain page to use the path captain / and then the captain's name. I can go to each existing page, uncheck the automatic URL alias generation box, and then adjust the path manually to fit that format. I'll do that for each existing page, and then make sure that I adjust the paths for new pages as I add them later. Once we've done that, we can go back to the Blocks page, click Configure on our menu, and scroll down to the visibility settings. Make sure that only the listed pages is selected, and then enter captain / and asterisk as our path pattern. The asterisk means anything, so this pattern means that the menu will appear on any page using a path that starts with captain and then a / regardless of what comes after the /. If we save our menu configuration and then refresh our captains, you can see that the menu now appears on both pages. That's all there is to it. Make sure to let us know at drupalsupport@calpoly.edu if you have any questions. And thanks for watching.